Hey everybody, welcome back to another installment of Universe Jarvis. So this is going to be a short one, but it kind of goes along with the last video. So if you watched, and if you haven't, please do, I did an unboxing of some Crocs, because that's kind of my thing now. But they did a release with, or did a collab with Demon Slayer, so I got all four pairs of the Demon Slayer ones. So interestingly enough, they actually just did another one. I want to say maybe last week or the week before. Well, I'd say last week because I think they really just got released. But if you've watched Jujutsu Kaisen, I have Crunchyroll and it's on there. I don't really know if it's on any other platforms. But they did Jujutsu Kaisen pair. So let's go in and unbox. So I actually ordered these from Journeys. I didn't get them from the Crocs website. And the reason, I don't think they were actually on the Crocs website initially. They ended up putting them up there later, but I got a really good deal by getting them from Journeys because I actually use Rakuten and I got like 6% cash back. And if you guys don't use Rakuten, I really would recommend using Rakuten. It is phenomenal because they're kind of third party, but when you go through their app or their website to buy things, you'll get like a rebate essentially, and they send out like these refund or rebate checks quarterly. I think the next one that I'll get will be in February. So go ahead and get in now. I already see. I wish they had done something special with the box like they did for the Demon Slayer ones that had all the characters, but they didn't. I mean, they just did the normal box. And then on the side there it says Jujutsu Kaisen Classic Crocs. So these are classics. Let's see what they look like. And I'm going to close these. Okay. So they come with some gibbets on them already, and it's got Jujutsu Kaisen there on the back strap. Got a couple. I think that's kind of, that right there is the symbol that you see on most of the Jujutsu Kaisen, like their uniforms and the buttons and stuff. I think this is Satoru. They do hand signs for different curses and stuff. So let's get the other one out. Let's see it as well. So there they are. And there's Satoru right there, and another hand symbol. These are pretty regular actually. That's kind of different. I haven't really seen that on a Croc. They kind of did like this lightning bolt thing. This is actually glossy going around the bottom of it. So that was kind of a nice accent. They didn't really go too crazy with these, honestly. It's got the name of the show in there and the characters. And that's kind of it. So not bad. A nice, I guess, black pair with like the bottom kind of going on there. Although they're giving me, I guess with that, it makes me think of those, excuse me. Can't think of the brand, but it makes me think of that nursing shoe. And I think the black has some kind of design on it. It's really hard to see. Oh, I think it's just like these symbols kind of in a lighter shade. It's kind of hard to see. So that's those. And I also kind of want to show you guys. Now, this is a different pair of Crocs here, but I think I figured out they were releasing these when I went in the Croc store and they had these. So they had the gibbets. So they have the gibbets and they have the shoes, which is kind of cool. You guys already saw that one. So it's this is Nobara, that's Yuji, Megami, Satoru, Goji, and then that's Sukuno. So those are kind of cute. So I put them on another pair of Crocs that I had. So kind of excited. So I don't know. I actually need to count and see how many Crocs I have now because I know I've gotten up there in numbers. But that's all I got. I think I'm actually going to probably start maybe going through my collections to show you guys since I have so many and so much. But that's it. Jujutsu Kaisen Crocs. Kind of excited about them. I'll probably, I guess, wear them this coming week. Well, thanks for your support as always. And if you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Comment. I appreciate you guys trying to get to 1,000. I'm probably 300-400 away. I don't know. Anyhow, until next time, Universe Jarvis out.